Hello friends, are you ready? Yes. So do you know what we are going to learn today? Yes, you are right. Today we are going to learn how to draw a heart. Isn't that amazing? Yes. So are you ready with your pencil and crayons? Yes. So let's draw a curved line on the left side, and now draw a curved line on the right side. Let's draw two eyes. Now draw two small circles inside the eyes, and then let's draw small eyelashes on both the eyes. Now it's time to draw a smiley. It looks. Now it's time to draw a bow. Let's draw a small circle on the top. Yes. Then two arcs on both the sides. Join them. It's time to color my eyes now. Take a black crayon and color my eyes black. Yes, go slowly, gently. See how beautiful they look. Whoa, look at you, how beautiful outline you are doing. Just amazing. Keep going. Yes, good job. Beautiful. Now with a marker, let's make the heart little bold so that it looks more beautiful. Let's get started. Whoa, look at you, how beautiful outline you are doing. Just amazing. Keep going. Yes, good job. Beautiful. Look at that! Oh my God! Isn't that amazing? How beautiful a heart looks. And it's smiling too. Awesome! Good job! You really did a nice job. See you again next time. Bye bye.